Hi folks, in this video I'll be taking a look at the Harry Potter coding wand from Kano, which helps you learn to code with a wave and a twirl of the magic wand. So whether you're a Harry Potter fan or just want to learn how to code, join me in a magical journey of discovery. First off, let's see what's inside the box. So you'll want to start by reading this booklet titled How to Make a Coding Wand, which explains what's inside the box, how to put it together, and with its gyroscope, accelerometer and magnetometer, how the coding wand converts your movements into code. To get started, you'll just need to install 2 treble A batteries into the coding wand brain, then place it into the handle and secure it with the cover. There is also a lanyard if you're worried about dropping it. Next up, you'll have to install the Kano app, which is available for both Android or iOS tablets and for Mac and PC if you want to use it with a computer. Set up an account, pair the Bluetooth wand with your device, then after updating its firmware, it's time to get started. There are over 70 step-by-step challenges which start by getting you used to the wand, then quickly introduce you to coding so that you can interact with what's shown on screen. Here I'm programming the wand to set off coloured fireworks when it's moved quickly either to the left or to the right. The on-screen instructions are very clear, and if you forget anything, you can always go back and revisit the previous challenge. As well as the challenges, you can explore to find out what others in the Kano community have been up to. It looks like user Dazzling Penguin 87 has been learning to levitate trolls, and you can too if you know how to cast the Wingardium Leviosa spell. If you click My Creations, you'll find all the code you've written, including the code from the challenges, which is handy if you want to go over anything you've learned. And by clicking play, you can investigate some code that's been pre-written so that you can see how it works, then play around with it to build your coding skills further. Finally, if you click create, you can put everything you've learned together and start to code your own creations using iconic Harry Potter locations, creatures and objects, from owls to pumpkins, potions to golden snitches. And once you're done coding, there are just a few more things left in that box, some nifty stickers and a poster outlining the spells which you can cast. In the app, not in real life. Now, if you found this video interesting and want to be notified when new ones are released, then why don't you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you next time.